Yeah, hi, I'm your Planet Fitness assigned trainer. We're gonna really help you lose those last extra pounds, sir. Believe me, it's gonna help. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Subway Surfers. I got a bunch of requests asking to play this, so now I'm playing this. So apparently my name is Jake, like, from State Farm. You know what I mean. You all know what I mean. Anyways, how is how is this guy that fat when he runs like every day? Honestly, he runs miles every day, and you know what he does? Is still fat. I got some fresh moves. I'm just fresh. Fresh as a McFlurry. Space for hoverboard. I rock, guys. I rock. I already knew that. Nice. Wee. I'm just raking in the coins right now. Oh heck yeah. Oh, okay, no. We didn't need that pillar anyways. Who needs pillars? Pillars are useless. Hey, alive. Hey, hey. Wow, that's a lot of train cars. Yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Heck yeah. I'm doing pretty good. Okay, so guys, make sure to like and subscribe and watch the other videos in this playlist. So, yeah. Also comment, I guess, if you feel like it. Yeah. Off. Dang it. Yeah, use a key. Alright, let's go. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's hit a train. That's a good idea. How to beat the game. First off, just run into a train. Later, buddy boy. I'm out of here, loser. Yeah, give me them coins. Heck yeah, no. Oh, boy. I don't like that. Oops. Like we're opening a box, so I'm going to press the space, and what we get? A coin. 1,000 coins. That's really nice. Thanks, guys. I got a high score of 1,618. It's pretty cool. I remember my friend Mr. Alabama told me his record, but I can't remember what it is right now. Alright, yeah, give me them coins. That coinage, that drip. It's not really drip, I guess, but I'll get what I can. Hello, Mr. Train. Choo choo. Yeah, them coins. I better get a rake for these coins. Can I go under these ones? Oh, I can. Nice. I think it's mostly those ones that they want you to go, Nope! Okay. I just realized that train was actually, like, coming forwards, and I'm just there, like, oopsies. Oh. Yeah, sure. Buy me a hoverboard. Yeah. Yeah, let me go. Howdy, fam. I never loved you. You're always chasing me. Yeah, hoverboard. Jetpack, buddy boy. You know that's right. Honestly, how is that cop, like, keeping up? Seriously. Honestly, how is he still that large? Like, honestly. Oh, crap. Hola. Literally about to be caught. Uh-oh. Alright, yeah, give me that coinage. Give it to me now. Heck yeah. Yeet. Okay, this is fine. This is absolutely fine. Oops. Okay, no, I did make it up. I hate when that happens. I think I'm about to get up, but then I, like, don't. Or like I change my mind at the last second. It's annoying. Let's see if we can do it this time without accidentally like yeeting myself into a train. That'd be fun, you know. Not eating yourself into a train is my favorite thing to do, especially on the weekends. I do that every weekend. I do it right before I eat breakfast. I eat the trains for breakfast. That's how life works, right? Alright. Okay, okay. No, okay. Yeah, use the key. Let me go, you fat buddy boy. Uh, yeah, what's up? Come on. You ain't got nothing on me, man. You ain't got nothing. Wow. Okay, yeah, we're doing it. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Okay, nice. Over. Okay. I'm doing pretty okay, not gonna lie. Oh boy. Hey, copy. Copper. Can't catch me, I'm too fast. Oof. Oh, yes. Yes. Jetpack. Jetpack time, buddy boy. Give me them coins. Now. I demand coinage. I demand a ransom to not get caught. I don't know. Alright, you're doing really good this round. I like it. Alright. Oh, yeah, give me one of those. No, that's right. Doing really good this round, not gonna lie. I like it. It's a nice change of pace to, like, you know, yeeting myself into a train to going to, like, doing pretty darn good. Yeah, give me them coins. Oh, boy. Please don't let a train be coming down this track. Okay. Yeah. I'm doing nice. Doing swell, buckos. How is that train moving forward? He's literally... Oh, boy. Not enough keys. Yeah, I know. New high score. Nice. Nice. That's the type of stuff I like to hear. I'm your personal fitness trainer. Okay, no. You didn't like that, apparently. Yeah, hi. I'm your Planet Fitness assigned trainer. We're gonna really help you lose those last extra pounds, sir. Believe me, it's gonna help. What the heck was that? What was that? Apparently, I don't have any hoverboard, but that's a okay. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Greg's real. That's what I'm gonna name the guy. His now name is Greg. Gregory. He's really losing them pounds. Like honestly, I love how I got this little magnet thing. It's doing really nice. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh yes. Oh no. 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 I don't like that. Greg, he's catching up. Here comes Greg. That sounds so funny out loud. Here comes Gregory. Parkour. This is literally all this game is parkour. Yeah. Doing pretty darn good. And that? No, I don't need a hoverboard. Thanks, though, I guess. Give me a key. Oh, crap. Yes. It was foretold to the ancient ones that I was destined to get that key, and for Gregory to finally start losing weight, even though he doesn't. Yeah, that's right, give me them coins. Yeah, the magnet too. Nice, nice. Okay. Not gonna lie, this is going swell. Right now, my goal is to beat Mr. Alabama's. No, that was the wrong key. Is to beat Mr. Alabama's record. even though I don't know what it is, but just to go really high. Serve for the higher purpose. Nice. Cool, I guess. Get those thighs. What the heck was that? I had something really funny for that too. I'm gonna try that again. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna edit this out. Come on, Greg, work those thighs. Work them with me. And up, and down, and side to side. Work them. That's it. Work up a nice sweat, Greg. Yeah. Parkour. Oh, yeah. Parkour at its worst. Run. Whoops. Okay, that was fun. That train. Sorry, these train drivers honestly are just like, come here, boy. I'm gonna get you. We're gonna help Greg out a little bit. All right, all right, all right. Let's get going. Heck yeah. And up, and over, and up, and over. Come on, Greg. Work it with me. And up, and over, and up, and over, and whee! Yeah, that coinage. Woo. Keeping up, Greg. Oh, okay, good. And down, and over, and up, and over, and up. I don't want to say that I'm doing really good because last time I said that I like instantly died. So yeah, we coins. I love coins. Coins are so fun. As is like running on a moving train. That's definitely safe. Kids do that at home. Word of advice: don't actually, but. Greg, you're not catching up to me. Believe me, I'm better than this. Okay. Yeah, that was fun. 5,056. Mr. Alabama, I am catching up. Better watch out. And up. And come on, Greg, work it with me. We're gonna get skinny together. It's a common goal, Greg. Come on. Grab your jetpack and follow along, Fitbit users. Fitbit users premium. GoPro. Whee! I'm raking in the dough. Yeah. And up. And over. And up. And down. And down. And up. Hi, train. How you doing? You doing good? Nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of these coins down here. Go down. Nice. I wonder how Greg is doing right now. Nice. Oh, yes, coinage. So much coinage. Oh, yes. Man, if you had to pay taxes for this. Oh, I'm up here. Nice. I don't know what that honestly, like, is that like a bonus level? I don't know. But that was nice, I guess. Hi, Mr. Train. Still going. No, 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 no. Oh, fudge. Dang it. I had keys. Wait, wait. Ah. I accidentally clicked on the little ad watching thing. What the heck was I supposed to do there? Come on. Can't I buy a key? Like, okay, whatever. I need keys and they're not giving them to me. To be honest, I have enough for this, so let's buy this. I got some more hoverboard. Buy that. I'm not doing anything at all. Anyways, boost. Okay, fine. Fine then. Heck with ya. Whatever. It's start. There's a bunch of interesting things up here. Can you not? Fine, I'll play. I'll play your little game. Come on, guys. I was getting some boosts and you weren't letting me, and I didn't like that. Alright, take this, old man. The future is now. I look so casual doing this. Like my speed. Looks like honestly I don't give a crap that I'm here doing this. Like just on a hoverboard. Alright. Ooh yes, give me the mag. That's the exact opposite of what I wanted to do. Guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. So like and subscribe. I got a pretty good score. Yeah, score. Score was that's me. Really? Well, anyways, I'm number 9 apparently. So I got 5,411 coins. So it's pretty good. Awards. Oh, okay. That's what you get them for. Okay. Collect award. Nice. I know. Come on. I know. Believe me, I know. I'm raking in the coins right now. Honestly, it's kind of a weird thing to say, but okay. Gold is useless. Yeah, screw gold. Silver's better. No, diamonds. Sorry, diamonds. Everyone knows diamonds are just better. Okay. Character. My name is Jake from State Farm. Ooh, the star outfit. It looks nice, but I don't have enough for it, so I'm gonna get that. Is that honestly it? Like, what else we got going for us? That's it, really? Brody, King. I should honestly get the King one, because we all know I am. Utani, apparently. Okay, yeah, sure. Jake, you're on that. Come on. Boards. Yeah, I get kind of bored. It doesn't fit my style, though, you know? I need to go find one that's, like, more my style. Yeah, that's more our style. The hot rod. It's here at the end. Go down, okay? The wing glider. Wow. Yeah, anyways, have a good day. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff.